Hello students, let's continue chapter 8th of class 7th of science, that is winds, storms and cyclones. In this video, we will study about our new topic. High speed winds are accompanied by reduced air pressure. Accompanied means to go together with somebody. When the speed of the wind increases, it lowers down the air pressure. By different activities, we will understand when the speed of the wind increases, it lowers down the air pressure. First, we will discuss activity 8.2. Students, crumple a small piece of paper into a ball of size smaller than the mouth of an empty bottle and place the paper ball just inside its mouth. Now try to blow on the ball to force it into the bottle. Students, you will observe that the paper ball cannot be forced into the bottle. Students, you can try the activity with bottles of different sizes. Paheli and Buzo are thinking about the following question: why is it difficult to force the paper ball into the bottle? The reason for happening is the speed of wind increase on blowing air, so the air pressure on the paper ball decreases. The pressure inside the bottle is more, hence it causes the thrust on the paper ball towards outside. So the paper ball cannot be forced into the bottle, instead it comes outside. So students, we conclude that the pressure decreases when the speed of the wind increases. Now we will discuss activity 8.3. Take two balloons of approximately equal size and put a little water into the balloons. Inflate a balloon and tie each one to a string. Then hang the balloons 8 to 10 cm apart on a stick. Now blow in the space between the balloons. You will observe that on blowing in the space between the balloons moved towards each other. In other words, we can say that they come closer to each other. Reason for happening is on blowing in the space between two balloons, the air pressure decreases there. So, two balloons are forced towards the space between them and come closer. When we blow between the balloons, they move towards each other, because when you blow between balloons, high speed of air reduced the pressure between balloons, and air on sides of balloon forces them inwards, that is towards each other. We conclude that the air pressure decreases when the speed of the wind increases. Now we will discuss next activity, that is 8.4. Hold a strip of paper 20 cm long and 3 cm wide between your thumb and forefinger. Now blow over the paper. Students, you can see in the picture. Students, you will observe that the paper strips gets lifted up. So reason for happening is when you blow over the paper strip, it went upwards, and blowing over the paper reduced the air pressure above the strip. So air pressure below the paper strip is higher. This high pressure lifts up the paper strips. So we conclude that the air pressure decreases when speed of the wind increases. In activity 8.2, you observed that the paper ball cannot be forced into the bottle. Students, in activity 8.3, you saw that when you blow between the balloons, they move towards each other. And in activity 8.4, you saw that when you blow over the paper strip, it went upwards. So we can say that the increased wind speed is indeed accompanied by a reduced air pressure. Students, now we will try to understand how winds are produced, how they bring rain, and how they can be destructive sometimes. Students, you already know that moving air is called wind. Wind is the movement of air. Wind movement depends on the difference in air pressure in two regions. Air moves from the region where the air pressure is high to the region where the pressure is low. So students, this is the end of today's session. We will continue this chapter in next video. Up till then, thank you.